Just a quick video to show you how to code out the tamper dot on BMW X5 E53, BMW E39 and E46. This may also work on other BMWs, but these are the three models that I know use pretty much the same electronics. The tamper dot in this case is because the LCM module is not out of this car. I'm using PA Soft or BMW Scanner to actually change this number. It's the last 7 digits of the VIN code, and if I go to reprogramming, right, so now I've typed in the correct VIN number or the last 7 digits of the VIN number, click OK. Now this has gone from red to just black. I can exit that. If you look at the instrument cluster, it is showing the tamper dot still. If I turn the ignition off, take the key out, and in order to turn off the code, we just untick this in the instrument cluster coding. Right, wait for that to complete. Coding is now complete, so I can exit that. Turn off the ignition, remove the key, check my brake lights, and there we go. There's no more code and there's no more tamper dot.